What's good, Career Wars? It's your boy Anthony Harris with Legacy Careers back again with another video. So, here at Legacy Careers, we're here to help career professionals and job seekers help you land a job quicker and easier. Now, have you ever gone out and tried to negotiate your salary? Are you too nervous or scared to negotiate your salary? I can tell you when I took my first job, I was too nervous and I accepted the first job offer that they offered me on the table. And I can tell you, as a hired executive for well over the last decade, that is absolutely not the correct way of how you enter into a job negotiation or just accepting the first offer that they give you. Just a clear hint, jobs expect for you to negotiate your salary. When they offer you a salary, do not accept your first offer. And there are things more than just salary you can negotiate. You can negotiate not only salary, you can negotiate job title, you can negotiate your time or vacation days or sick days off. Those are all open for negotiation when you go into the offer table. If you're ever nervous or what to say in your salary negotiation, I have developed a salary negotiation scripts that you can use, whether it's by email or phone call, or scripts that you can utilize when you're negotiating your salary with the hiring executives to make sure that you do not miss out on tens of thousands of dollars left on the table for you. So if you need assistance on that, please go to my website. I have LinkedIn and salary negotiation scripts that are available for only $20. So take advantage of this. You get access to them for a lifetime once you download them. So take advantage of this offer at this very moment. Go to legacycareersllc.com. And if you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know. Peace.